Is this the best iPhone color ever made? Today we're finally unboxing the deep purple iPhone. The box feels different this year, thinner, but the tech inside is anything but small. Just look at how that purple shifts from a dark obsidian to a rich violet. It's subtle, it's moody, and it's incredibly premium. This matte finish is a fingerprint magnet's nightmare in the best way possible. We're seeing the transition to the braided USB-C cable here. Finally! But the real star is this massive camera module. Those 48 megapixel sensors look like they mean business. The stainless steel rails match the purple hue perfectly. Let's get to the most satisfying part. Insert loud peel sound. Beautiful. As we boot this up, you can see that promotion display coming to life. If 120 Hz is something you just can't go back from once you've seen it. It's heavy, it's expensive, and it feels like a piece of jewelry. Is the purple a must-buy or just a maybe? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check the link in the bio. If purple is too dark for you, then this is the one. This is the Alpine Green, and it is absolutely stunning. This isn't just green, it's a deep, forest-inspired metallic. It feels rugged, yet sophisticated. Under these lights, the Alpine Green really shows off that industrial design. The click on these buttons is so tactile. Apple really nailed the color matching on the antenna bands and the charging port this time around. It's a seamless piece of tech. One of the biggest upgrades is how this screen handles bright environments. Even in direct light, the clarity is insane. It makes the Alpine Green finish look even more vibrant. Between the deep purple and this Alpine Green, the choice is tough. This one feels more adventurous. Which side are you on? Drop a green or purple in the comments.